What is Maidaan Games? Maidaan Games is the new sensation in the digital gaming universe, a name you're sure to hear a lot in 2024. Imagine a platform that not only offers engaging games, but also incorporates the security and transparency of blockchain technology. That's the promise of Maidaan Games, and that's what's putting the gaming community and investors on their toes. The fusion between gaming and blockchain is not only innovative, it's a revolution that could transform the way we experience and value digital entertainment. The heart of Maidaan Games beats with innovation. In a market saturated with more of the same, the company excels at promising games that not only entertain but also reward. The utilization of blockchain means that players can own unique digital assets, such as characters or in-game items, that have real value outside of the virtual environment. This promise of true digital ownership could be a game changer, attracting a new wave of players who see value not only in fun, but also in investment. What makes Maidaan Games even more intriguing is its vision for the future of gaming. They're not just creating games, are building an ecosystem where players and developers can interact and thrive together. With a team of experienced developers and a well-defined strategy, Maidaan Games is positioned to lead the next big wave in digital entertainment. Every move they make is closely watched, as every step can be the beginning of a new era in online gaming. What is an ICO? You've heard of IPOs, but ICOs are the new darling of the digital financial market. ICO, or initial coin offering, is the fundraising method that has revolutionized the funding of tech startups. Think of it as a merger between crowdfunding and cryptocurrencies, where investors buy digital tokens that represent a future stake or utility in the developed platform. This concept, although young, has already moved billions and opened doors to disruptive innovations in various sectors. The beauty of an ICO lies in its accessibility. Traditionally, investments in startups were reserved for the rich and influential. With ICOs, anyone with a digital wallet can participate and potentially reap great rewards. However, this democratization also brings with it a minefield of risks. With so many opportunities, how do you discern gold from grains of sand? Here comes the importance of detailed research and a clear understanding of the projects. Despite the risks, the allure of an ICO is undeniable. Imagine being on the front lines of a technological revolution, having the opportunity to invest in something before it becomes mainstream. ICOs provide this unique chance. They are more than just a fad, are a new way of thinking about investing and ownership. For the right investors, those who do their homework and understand the market, ICOs can be the key to unlocking a financially prosperous and technologically advanced future. Why is $MDN promising? Maidaan Games' $MDN token is in the spotlight, and for good reason. In a world where new cryptocurrencies emerge daily, $MDN stands out with a clear proposal and real potential for appreciation. The main reason: the intersection between gaming and blockchain that Maidaan Games is exploring. This combination is not only innovative, it's the next frontier in digital entertainment, promising an ecosystem where players not only play but also invest and profit. The promise of $MDN goes beyond mere financial value. With the increasing adoption of blockchain-based games, the tokens that underpin these platforms are becoming increasingly valuable. The $MDN is not just a currency. It's a ticket to an entry into a gaming universe where every win, every item acquired, and every character developed has real, measurable value outside of the game. This tangible and usable valuation across multiple gaming platforms is what makes $MDN such an attractive prospect for investors. Additionally, the team behind Maidaan Games is made up of industry veterans, individuals who have already proven their worth in previous projects. Trust in the team is key to any ICO investment, and their expertise provides an additional layer of security. With a clear vision and a well-defined market strategy, Maidaan Games is poised to take $MDN to heights that many tokens can only dream of. For investors, this means not only a financial return, but also the chance to be a part of something bigger and innovative. How to participate in the ICO? Participating in the Maidaan Games ICO is your chance to enter the factory floor of a revolution. First, register on the official platform of Maidaan Games. This initial process may seem simple, but it is the gateway to a world of possibilities. Applying requires some basic checks, but once you're complete, you're one step away from becoming an investor in one of the most promising initiatives of 2024. The next step is to acquire the $MDN tokens. Here, the simplicity of blockchain technology shines through. Typically, you will need to transfer a widely accepted cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, to the address specified by the ICO. This process is quick and transparent, ensuring that your funds are safe. Additionally, the platform often offers detailed guides to help newbies, making the process accessible even for those taking their first steps into the world of cryptocurrencies. Finally, it's crucial to store your tokens in a secure manner. After purchase, the $MDN tokens will be sent to your digital wallet. Choosing the right portfolio is vital to protecting your investment. Use wallets that offer high levels of security and, if possible, choose to store your tokens in physical wallets for added protection. With these steps, you not only become an investor in Maidaan Games, but you also protect your financial future in a market that is constantly evolving. Risks and considerations. Investing in ICOs like Maidaan Games may seem like a gold mine, but it also comes with its challenges. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market is notorious. One day, the value of a token can skyrocket, only to drop the next day. This constant up and down requires nerves of steel and a solid investment strategy. It is essential to enter this journey with your eyes open and prepared for market fluctuations. In addition to volatility, regulation is a critical factor to consider. Different countries have varying laws and regulations when it comes to cryptocurrencies and ICOs. Before investing, it is vital to understand the regulatory environment of your jurisdiction. Legal compliance can directly affect how easy it is for you to buy, sell, and trade your tokens. Skipping this step can lead to legal issues and difficulties accessing your investment. Last, but certainly not least, is project risk. Not all ICOs are created equal, and the success rate varies enormously. Maidaan Games may have a promising team and a clear vision, but there is always a risk that the project will not achieve its goals. Due diligence is crucial. Investigate the team, read the white paper carefully, and understand the company's long-term plans. Being well-informed is the best defense against the risks inherent in any investment, especially in a field as dynamic as cryptocurrencies.